my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?
This, it's very sticky. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this nice glowy skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I will be doing a first impression on all of the high-end makeup I got, and I'm telling you, you need these products. They are so good. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Now let's get started. This primer, and this is the Milk Hydro Primer. I really wanted to have this in my collection. I am so excited it's in my collection right now. So let's apply this one and see how it applies. This is the first time I'm using this, so it's a brand new pump here. Okay, ooh, it feels very jelly-like type of consistency. A lot of you already probably have this primer, and as you know, look at this, it's very sticky, which that's what you want to have before you apply foundation. Now next, I bought this Becca Under Eye Corrector. This is the product, so this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna use a tiny bit, and we're gonna apply right underneath the eye to correct this area. Now here is a super high-end, and I'm so excited this is in my collection now, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Now this, you can wear it on its own, you can wear it underneath foundation, or you can also wear it on top of foundation. It comes with a dofu applicator, and what this does, it will make our face a little bit more glowy once we apply the foundation on top of it. Now please keep in mind that I don't have oily skin at all. Mine is like normal to dry skin, so that's why I'm going a bit more heavy with it. I'm gonna use my hands to apply it in the beginning, kind of spread it around. So now I'm gonna go in with a sponge. This is a Damped Real Techniques sponge. Another very high-end product that I really wanted to have this in my collection, and this is L'Essentiel Garland Foundation, and this is in the shade 00W, and the Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 1 Fair, in case you're wondering. Now this comes with a pump like this. This is more of a natural foundation, but you can build it up. So if you do have any blemishes or any scars on the face, you can add a little bit more. I'm using the Rare Beauty brush. I'm excited for the first time and applying this. Ooh. This has a little bit of a more perfume smell, but nothing too strong. It's actually a very pleasant smell. I really like this brush. As you guys know, my favorite brushes are the Moda Royal and Langnickel brushes, but this brush, I like the angle of it because you can go, look, with this part right here, I can just go like this and go in this small area around my nose, or in this small area around my eye right here. It is very soft. It blends the foundation very smoothly, very nice. It doesn't leave any streaks on the face. It's a very beautiful brush. I really like it. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this nice glowy skin. Now I'm gonna use, of course, the matte primer in the shade Painterly for my eyelids. This is one of my favorite primers. I received two concealers. One is the Kosas concealer, which I already love it because it gives you this nice dewiness underneath the eyes. And the second one is the NARS one, which this is in the shade Light 1. And I love this one as well. So it's a Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I'm gonna just apply a little bit in here to highlight, and just a tiny bit there. I don't like to apply too much concealer because I find it that sometimes it becomes cakey. Warm it up with the finger and kind of blend it in. So I'm only using concealer to highlight basically underneath the eye area. I really hate putting powder underneath my eyes. I like to use powder when I do conceal the eyelids, and then I use a little bit of powder so that the eyelids don't crease. Now let's go in with another high-end brand. Again, Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and this is the Airbrush bronzer. This is so beautiful. The seashell packaging and the beautiful bronzer inside. It is just gorgeous. So I'm gonna use now my beautiful drugstore unicorn brush. I just cannot switch this brush to another one. It just does an amazing job at bronzing. So we're just gonna bronze the cheek area here. So the rule with bronzing, you guys wanna put, if you put 2 fingers, you don't wanna bronze above 2 fingers, that's too much. You wanna use 3 fingers and just bronze this hairline area right here. But again, with makeup, there's not many rules. You go ahead and you're free to use your imagination and play with it however you want. And then a little bit on the nose. I love bronzing. It's one of my favorite parts to do. And now let's go into a highlighter. I'm gonna apply highlighter before the blush so that we can make it look a little bit more glowy and more natural looking. Now this is the, you know what? I'm gonna use 2 highlighters. First, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in the shade Perla, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna apply on the cheekbone on the cheekbone. This is what it looks like right here. I think too much came out, so we're just gonna apply here and here and here. Okay, so I'm gonna use the fingers and kind of blend it all outwards. And you want to apply above the brow here, because when you apply above the brow, it gives this natural lift. Look how beautiful this looks. So natural and so gorgeous. So we've applied the Anastasia highlighter, which is very beautiful, and I definitely recommend this as well. But I want to go now into the Natasha Denona. I need a glow highlighter, and I want to use, this is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna use this for highlighting this part right here. Now you don't wanna go too crazy here and highlight a big chunk, because if you do, then this lifting up effect we've created here, it's going to be overpowered by this one, and it's gonna make your eye look a little bit more shut and droopy. So next we have the Patrick Ta 4-Face blush, and this is in the shade Do We Know Her, and of course this is what it looks like. This is the cream version, and this is the powder version. Let me try use the cream version a bit. Let me use my finger here. So you want to apply blush from the temple downwards to the cheek here. And you kind of want to use the same motion as you used for your bronzer. Instead, you use for the bronzer this way. Now you don't want to go for blush this way, because then you have a sharp line and then you have circles showing up. This is such a pretty color. I love peach blushes. Oh, we forgot to add some glowiness to our nose. I'm going to use the Natasha Denona. I'm gonna add a little bit of glowiness here. Go into the powder part here, and I'm gonna use my Royal and Langnickel blush brush and kind of just go over what we've applied here. Make the cheeks more peachy looking. We are going to use the Melt Cosmetics 420 eyeshadow palette. Look at this, guys. Oh, so pretty. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So I'm not sure what eye look I'm gonna create today. Kind of want something yellow, green. Okay, let's see. Let's start first with this shade right here. It's called Hash, right there. So we're gonna kind of use that as the transition color. Ooh, so pigmented already. So I just started a bit lower, and I'm gonna bring it slowly upwards. I'm using a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe Jeffree Star JS5 brush. Do the same thing on this eye. I'm gonna go in with this one, Dunk, right here, this green, and apply that in the crease. Ooh, it's like a nice khaki color. Now whatever's left on the brush, bring it upwards. Do the same thing on this eye. I wanted this palette because it has all of the colors that I really enjoy. I like the greens, the browns, the yellows, but I really love this color, the khaki color. Okay, I'm gonna use the MAC 217S brush, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna go into this darker one, which is called Chronic, this darker green right here. And let's apply this. Ooh, look at this on the outer corner here. So we're just gonna kind of dab it, so we don't want to create any type of fallout on our cheeks. So pretty, so subtle and nice. It's like an army green. Oh, I really like this color a lot. Let's go with this shotgun green right here. And try add it in here and see how this turns out. Just to kind of brighten this inner corner up a bit. It's not as green as it looks in there, but of course we're applying it on top of the other brown, so it turns a little bit more yellowish. Wow. And then on top of it, I would like to use this Shatter one, which is the only sparkly shade in this palette, and use my finger. Show you what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. And kind of intensify this yellow. See? They match really good together. Let's see. The Luxie pencil. This is number 217. I got this in a BoxyCharm. And I'm going to use this dark Roll It brown right here. And put it on the bottom lash line. Do the same thing on the other eye. And now I'm going to dip into that chronic green that we put in the outer corner here. And kind of bring it over this brown. Actually, let me switch brushes. This is an e.l.f. smudge brush, which looks like this. So I'm gonna dip into the nice green and kind of smudge it all over the brown. Okay, now I'm gonna get another brush. It's another e.l.f. brush. And I'm gonna dip into that yellow, the green shotgun right here. And put it in the inner corner here. It's very interesting, like the color looks like a very lime green in there, but when you apply it on the eyes, it comes like this yellow color. Interesting. I think this looks very pretty. What do you guys think of the eye look? I'm gonna add some setting spray before we put mascara, and this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'll go over with a sponge, make sure nothing budges. And now, here is another present that I've received. It is the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Mascara, and it's this one. Sure, everybody knows. And now we're gonna put this and see how it looks. So I'm not going to have an intermission because I want you guys to see how this looks on my eyelashes. Let's apply it. The wand is gorgeous. It's thick and fluffy, as you can see. All one shape, all around. Now let's apply it. Wow, look at this. Instant lift, instant volume, instant length. You guys tell the difference? This eye and this eye. Now let's apply it on the bottom as well. It is very, very smooth. So no mascara here and mascara here. You guys tell the difference? How beautiful this mascara looks? And here is the final look. Now let's go ahead and apply some lip product. Quickly, I'm gonna use the Ace Beauty Be Peachy lip liner. And this is the Jeffree Morphe Star First Impressions lip gloss. And here is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know. So make sure you let me know down in the comments below what you think of this look and what was your favorite product I've used in today's video. My favorite products are all of them. So I really, really enjoy the Hollywood Flawless Filter Foundation. I mean, you actually use this underneath the foundation or as a foundation by itself. I love the Guerlain L'Essentiel foundation. It is just so natural looking and so gives you this glass-like effect on your skin. It looks very healthy, makes your skin look very healthy. I really love the Milk Hydro Primer. It looks like the foundation stuck to it very good. I really love the NARS concealer. I don't see any type of creasing underneath my eyes and I didn't even use any powder. I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid highlighter. I love the mascara. I love the Patrick Ta blush, the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, the Natasha Denona highlight. And yeah, I really love all these products. So I wanted to show you the products that I've received for my birthday and Christmas and give you kind of like a first impression and put them to the test and see how it looks on my face. I have normal to dry skin, keep that in mind, and I really love all of them. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. and I will see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me?